better for them.
Captain Fitzgerald, away from the loading dock, to begin her eastbound run. Fitzgerald has spent 24 seasons on the water, working his way up from deckhand to ship's master. 762, and the long days and nights at the helm have wearied him. His wife Nell, crippled by arthritis and a recent stroke, has been admitted to a nursing home. His promises his wife he will hurry home as soon as the shipping season ends. The Edmund Fitzgerald racing the northern winter. Within a month, Superior's harbors will have begun to freeze over. By Christmas, the big ships will be castles of ice, frozen to their home ports. But between summer's calm and winter's grip lies the season of storms. It is fickle November, the month day, that haunts the Great Lakes sailors.
Call 1-877-458 Amex for the Preferred Reward Gold Card. This one's quite romantic. I said, there's easy to reward program. Go online, pick up messages, like, communicate, point, and go. Seriously,